today's video, we're going to be showing you 5 different apps or websites that you can start using today and make money from immediately. You're going to be earning on complete autopilot, which means that you're not going to have to do much work at all. You're going to be making $40 every single day, so in a month, you could be making over $1,000, which is huge. Our method for today is completely free as it is easy. You can be a complete beginner and it won't even matter because this method caters to anyone and everyone. It is also available to all people of all nations, so even if you're in the most remote parts of the world, you can make money just like this. Make sure that you have a phone or a computer, either is fine, and also an internet connection, and your money-making journey will start immediately. We're going to be teaching you all of the do's and don'ts and all of the steps and even dropping some tips and tricks to triple your income monthly. So if you don't want to miss any of that, then make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Our first website or application for today is called dollarclicks.com, and as you can see, finally you found it. Earn rewards every time you go online. You can get paid through PayPal, Visa, Tango gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and a lot more. The #1 paid survey community goes mobile. There is a mobile-friendly platform to track your progress and complete offers. Automatically participate in contests and promotions for increased earnings. Refer other members and earn from their activity for life. Participate in our active member community. Share success stories and learn from veteran members. There are hundreds of new surveys added daily, and there's always something to do. You can get access to the largest inventory of paid surveys available online. You can earn bonuses for joining and every day for being active. You can convert your earnings to many more gifts and receive them instantly. You can get rewarded for completing surveys. There are new offers available daily. You also receive rewards in your sleep while your referrals complete surveys. It's the easiest way to earn. Amazon, PayPal, and other gift cards or cash rewards also available. There is also an exclusive affiliate program for maximum referral earning. You can send your friends or traffic to DollarClicks. You can create a recurring passive income stream today. Any member joining using your special link is your referral for life. You can get handsome bonuses on your referrals earnings. There are regular contests and promotions to help you promote your new business. And that's basically the rundown of this entire website. You can read more about it if you want, but that's basically the key information that you should keep in mind and you should note down. So just proceed to sign up right here, and once you're all done signing up and you have an account, you can start making money ASAP, and that is pretty much it for this website. Our second website or application is called bigticketcommissions.net. And it says the world's first automated high-ticket commission system. Brand new web-based apps generates instant high-ticket commissions and red-hot buyer traffic in under 60 seconds. We use this app to make $1,000 commissions daily. It is 100% done for you. There's automated big-ticket commissions, guaranteed results on your first day. There's 100% free traffic included. It is the fastest and easiest way to bank 5-figure commissions. It is all-inclusive solutions with no monthly costs or extra tools needed, and you can beat the recession and live the life of your dreams. You can get paid through PayPal, bank transfer, and a whole lot more. This system drives 1,000 times higher commissions than any other system on the planet. It will only take you 15 minutes and 3 simple steps. First thing you gotta do is you enter your affiliate link, then you're gonna activate the free traffic, and then you're gonna sit back and get sales and get paid. And that's it for this website. So sign up for this website and start earning today. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Third website or application is honeygain.com. Passive income effortlessly with Honeygain. You can make money by simply sharing your internet. Start earning now. It's an easy way to earn passive income. You can earn without compromising security. You know exactly what your internet is used for. And there are only 5 steps to this. So you're going to first set it up. Then you are going to run it. Then you're going to let it gather. Then it's going to help businesses. And lastly, you're going to get paid. So that's how easy this website goes. So create an account and start earning now, and then let us know how this website goes for you. Fourth website is called OnePageProfits.com, and that says that this is the world's fastest and easiest breakthrough for automated $300 commissions from free traffic. Now it is similar to big ticket commissions. They're pretty much the same, so we're not going to read through the website anymore. But if you do want to read more, just go on the website and look through everything, discover and explore it on your own. But make sure that you sign up so you can, again, make money already. And remember that the way you're gonna make $1,000 is if you use all of these apps or websites all together. So make sure you don't leave anything out, or else you're most probably not gonna be making the money that we'd initially promised you. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Our last website or app for today is called SlideJoy. As you can see, earn discounts and cash by watching ads on your smartphone. On SlideJoy, you will earn money and discounts from your phone just by doing something as simple as and commonplace as unlocking your Android. Yes, it's true, you're gonna earn money by turning on your screen and swiping to unlock it. How is this possible? Easy enough. What this app really does is turn your lock screen into an advertising space. So what SlideJoy does basically is put ads onto your lock screen on your Android or your Apple device. So what's so great about that, you might ask? Well, you won't be watching the usual boring invasive ads that assault you while you're playing a video game, but rather advertising that's specifically tailored and selected just for you that you might even grow to enjoy and appreciate in some cases. Once you've activated and configured SlideJoy, all you need to do is turn on your screen and watch an ad. Swiping right is going to unlock your device, and it's as easy as that. But if you swipe left, you are going to get more information about the services that were advertised. SlideJoy is a fairly interesting app, thanks to which you will earn money without having to lift a finger. Also, you'll get the chance to donate your earnings to a number of different non-profit organizations, although you could also just keep it for yourself. It's completely up to you. So that's basically it for SlideJoy, so make sure you try all 5 together to make the most money possible. And that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.